Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing these and your legal requirement as a responsible caravan tower. So stay tuned. Now, before we get started, I would just like to thank Keith Maskill, who's one of my viewers, for raising this subject. And secondly, I'd also like to thank Shield Insurance for sponsoring this video. Now, Shield are an insurance company that will insure your caravan, motorhome or static caravan. And if you'd like a quote for them for a competitive rate, why not click the link below. Okay, so it is a legal requirement under law and the Road Traffic Act that you have towing mirrors on a vehicle when you're towing either a horse box or trailer or caravan that is wider than the towing vehicle itself. Now, I also include in this, because they are quite wide, Land Rover Discoveries, because they are slightly smaller than the actual standard caravan size. If you were stopped by the police, you could be fined up to £1,000 and you will get 3 points on your driving licence. It could also affect your insurance, which I'll explain in a minute. You have to have a set of mirrors that are fit for purpose. And when I mean fit for purpose, they have to work. So they have to be fitted to your wing mirrors correctly, and the mirrors have to be of a functioning order. Now, if you're involved in an accident and it is found and discovered that you don't have towing mirrors or they were not fit for purpose, you could invalidate your insurance policy. This means that you would be liable for not only the damage to your own property, but that of any other property that you cause damage to. So this is worth bearing in mind. So let's take a little look at a graphic that I've got to show you. This will explain a little bit more on the use and why we use towing mirrors. As you can see from the graphic, we have an aerial shot of a caravan and a towing vehicle. Now, at the top of the graphic, the blue section is with a towing mirror, and it extends from the towing mirror out 20 metres and 4 metres in width. This is quite a good coverage to allow you to see behind you. Now, below we have 3 colours. The blue is the required vision for standard use without a towing mirror, and the field of vision without towing mirrors is in yellow. Now, it does look like it's quite wide, but if you look, it doesn't look and focus down the side of the caravan. The red area is a total blind spot area, and again is, in my opinion, the danger zone, because if you've got something coming up right behind you, you're not going to be able to see it. So I hope this graphic has explained why we use towing mirrors. So the idea of this video was basically to inform mainly new caravan users. We're coming up to the new season and I'd like them to buy a set of towing mirrors, use them correctly and get out on the road and enjoy and be safe whilst they're travelling around with their new hobby. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'd also like to thank again Shield for sponsoring the video. But in the meantime, bye for now.